Well, bakers, I'm going to show you today how to make homemade Irish cream. Personally, my favorite holiday drink. It is super simple and absolutely delicious. In a nice big jug here, I'm going to add in my few ingredients that I need. A little bit of espresso powder. Now, I don't mean just granulated coffee, I mean espresso powder, which is just even more concentrated, has even better coffee flavor. You have to have that little bit of coffee in there to make a real Irish cream. And then just to dilute this, I'm going to add in a splash of vanilla extract. Just dilute those granules there. They'll dissolve really easily. Next, I'm going to add in some milk. Now, I recommend full fat milk for even more flavor. We'll just make it super yummy. And then some cream, just any type of cream that you have. Obviously, the more fat, the more flavor, just like with the milk. Give that a whisk around. Yummy. Just an FYI, if you are in Ireland and using Irish cream, it's just even more delicious. Next, we're going to add in some condensed milk. So now if you can't find condensed milk, do not worry, because you can easily make it with just some milk and sugar, and I have a recipe for that. And then just whisk that together until it's smooth. So Irish cream first came on the scene in Ireland in the 1970s, and it's a really popular drink, especially around the holidays, to put in coffee, which what I'm going to show you today, or hot chocolate, or even have it on the rocks. It's delicious, it's smooth, it's sweet, and it's got a little kick of booze at the end. And that booze is traditionally whiskey. Now let me tell you something about this whiskey. This is O'Driscoll's whiskey, and I'm very proud to say that it's my family's business. It is from Wexford, Ireland, which was where I grew up, and it was founded by my cousin Michael Stafford. Michael actually carried on the family business, which was created by our grandfather James Stafford, and then also carried on by our fathers George and Michael Stafford Sr. So it's really lovely to be a part of this. So O'Driscoll's is a blend of golden grain and malted barley. It's triple distilled and aged in bourbon casks for a minimum of 3 years, giving it that signature smoothness of Irish whiskey. For more information about the O'Driscoll's and where you can order this internationally, go to o'driscollsirishwhiskey.com. Once your whiskey is in, that is it. It's ready to go. I like to store mine in a sealable container and keep it in the fridge for around 3 weeks. Our Irish cream is ready to go. Now let me show you how to make the most amazing coffee out of it. Brew a lovely fresh pot of dark coffee. Fill it up to around 8 ounces, which is a cup. Add around 3 or 4 ounces of Irish cream, depending on how you're feeling, and then top it off with very lightly whipped cream. I adore having this during the holiday season. It feels like a reward after a long day. And in my opinion, a must for a cold winter's evening. So there's a rule in my house, you never drink alone.
I've been waiting for this one.
Here you go, Kevin.
Beautiful. Sláinte?
Sláinte. Cheers. It's like the ultimate treat. It's a dessert, it's a drink.
It also will warm you from the insides. I mean, this is some incredible stuff.
It is. It's just a hug for your insides.
It is. Cold, rainy Irish nights.
And it gives you that lovely toasty feeling after you've had a glass of whiskey.
You're already nice and toasty?
Yeah. Enjoy responsibly, everybody.
Yes.
Make some of this Irish cream and keep it in the back of your fridge for throughout the holiday season. And I guarantee you, you will not be sorry, and neither will your guests.
Yeah, for emergencies, right?
Oh, so delicious. More traditional Irish recipes, especially for the holidays, stick around. And I'll see you back here again really soon.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
Sláinte.
Cheers.